just got back from an incredible trip in Hawaii, and I went to a restaurant by Chef Roy Yamaguchi, and he had the most wonderful sauce that I loved, my kids loved. You could put protein in it, you could dip French fries in it. It was really wonderful. So they shared it with me, and they said that I could share it with you. And I'm gonna attempt to do the version of it and follow the recipe as best as possible. The version they gave me was like a very big recipe, so I've had to figure out how to like convert it down to like smaller vibes. All right, let's do it. 2/3 of a cup of basil, fresh basil leaves. 1/2 cup of Italian flat leaf parsley. 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. 2.5 teaspoons of local honey. So this is a tablespoon. There's 4 teaspoons in a tablespoon, so looks about right. 3.5 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 4 ounces of oil. So I'm using avocado oil. You can use whatever you want. I don't want to put olive oil in here because I find that olive oil has a strong flavor, and I don't really want that flavor in this recipe. We're gonna transfer this to a bowl, and then we're gonna hand whip in 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Oh my gosh, this beautiful green color. Ugh, I love green. 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. We're gonna hand whip this in, and then we're also gonna add salt and pepper to taste. Now, I know we're gonna need more salt and pepper than this, so I'm just gonna start adding some so it has it in there. It's getting there. It looks like an avocado crema. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Wow. It actually doesn't need more salt. It's perfect. Oh my goodness. How easy was that? Guys, this could be a salad dressing. You can dip vegetables in it with a crudité, or as my mom used to say, crudité. She's fancy. You could put this with pasta, protein dipped in here. Oh my gosh, look at how much it made too. Feel free to like cut these ingredients down more, but oh man, this is so good, you guys. Let's put it in a container and call it a day. Look at how gorgeous that is. Wow. I'm so thankful to this beautiful restaurant of Roy's sharing this with me. Thank you. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. Mahalo.